Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LexisNexis Risk Solutions to manage data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect LexisNexis Risk Solutions and manage your data, start by visiting the official LexisNexis Risk Solutions website. Look for the sign-in option located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password into the designated fields. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account to begin the registration process. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where various services are displayed. Identify the specific solution you wish to connect to. Click on the solution to access further options and tools. Locate the API integrations section or its equivalent. Read through the provided documentation carefully to understand the connection requirements. Gather your API key and any other necessary credentials mentioned in the documentation. Next, prepare your data management system to accept data from LexisNexis. Access your data management platform and locate the integration settings. Input your API key and other credentials into the appropriate fields. Follow any additional setup instructions provided in the documentation. Once your settings are updated, initiate a test connection to ensure everything is working properly. Monitor the connection status and note any error messages that may appear. If the test is successful, proceed to configure your data preferences. Define what types of data you want to manage through the integration. Set up any necessary filters or parameters for your data retrieval. Finally, save your settings and begin utilizing LexisNexis Risk Solutions to manage your data effectively. Keep an eye on the performance and make adjustments as necessary to optimize your data management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.